The easiest way to find a word when you don't know where it is to use Word Finder. To find Word Finder, you're going to go to the Spell Numbers page and then click on the purple button here that says Word Finder. Here you can type in the word that you're looking for. So if I want to find the word eat, I can type that in and then click OK. It gives me a couple options to show me where the word is. First, I can just look at the icons that tell me the first step and then the second step. Or I can go to the Show Me button and it will walk me through how to find it. Another option is going to Word Finder and using the Guide Me button. That lets you click on the words yourself so that you start to learn where they're located.